A variety of the foods you consume on a regular basis could cause harm to your kidneys, but eating a variety of fruits on a regular basis can help repair your kidneys. The kidneys are responsible for filtering out waste products in the body, therefore it's important to eat these fruits regularly to keep them functioning correctly. The consumption of certain food types on a regular basis might increase cholesterol levels in the body. Therefore, it's essential to consume enough quantity of fruits. 1. Apples. Pectin, abundant in apples, has been found to lower cholesterol and, by extension, the risk of heart disease. Vitamin C, which is located in abundance in apples, is excellent for your health. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C, found in blueberries, can help shield your kidneys from damage. The risk of acquiring cancer may be lowered by consuming blueberries on a daily basis, as shown in several studies. The mineral content of pineapple is high enough to warrant its inclusion on the list of recommended fruits for renal health. More healthy vitamins can be found in pineapples. Studies show that eating fruit, namely cranberries, can help prevent urinary tract infections and aid the kidneys in eliminating waste products.